In this chapter, let us learn about Python file open or read files. Open a file on the server. Assume we have the following file located in the same folder as Python. Hello, welcome to learn Python demo.txt. This file is for testing purpose. Good luck. To open the file, use the built-in open function. The open function returns a file object which has read method for reading the content of the file. See the example, learn Python demo.txt. See here f is equal to open. The result is hello, welcome to learn Python demo.txt. This file is for testing purpose. Good luck. If the file is located in a different location, you will have to specify the file path like this. Open a file on a different location. See the example, should specify the path where the file was saved. See, the file is located in the folder named my files on the D drive. Good luck. See example. Read only parts of the file. By default, the read method returns the whole text, but you can also specify how many characters you want to return. See the example, return the 5 first characters of the file. See here, the first 5 characters, hello. Read lines. You can return one line by using the read line method. See the example, read one line of the file. See, open line learn Python demo text. See here, hello, welcome to learn Python demo text. By calling read line method 2 times, you can read the 2 first lines. See here, by calling 2 times, it can read 2 lines. Hello, welcome to learn Python demo.txt. This file is for testing purpose. Close files. It is good practice to always close the file when you are done with it. Close the file when you are finished with it. See, by using f.close function, the result returns this. Hello, welcome to learn Python demo.txt. You should always close your files. In some cases, due to buffering, changes made it to a file may not show until you close the file. Okay friends, this is the end of part 36, file open. In next video, let us learn about another topic, file write. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.